Hi guys, Brian here, Big B Rebooted. Ready to go on another fishing adventure? I know I am. I'm at the point access on the Juniata River, and I'm just gonna see if I can't get into something. I got up 2 or 3 hours tops to be able to get out and fish. So I figured, what the heck, man, I'm close to home. Let's see if I can get into something. Stick around, never know what's gonna happen. Using my new Fluger reel, and there's one. Look at this, look at this. First cast. Huh. Decent sized bass, guys. Come here. Okay, there we go. I'll take you. See you later, buddy. I got to remember I have my other camera to do release shots, but that's amazing, man. First cast, decent bass. That's a pretty good sign. My Cast King that I was using, you know, it just, I don't know. There's just something not right with it. Something I can't put my finger on it. I just don't like it. So, you know, I wanted to try something different. No, I bought a Fluger Presidential is what it is. I think is what the reel's called. I mean, it's not too bad so far. I mean, it's got this like cheap plastic feel to it, which I don't like. But we'll see how it rolls, you know what I mean? But guys, I can tell you, you know, I'm just happy to be able to get out. And it's not just for content. I just love to fish, and I know, you know, with cold weather coming, my opportunities are going to narrow significantly. So, you know, I'm going to fish as much as I can in the upcoming week or so, and then, you know, I'll put content out as much as I can. I mean, I'm trying to grow my channel, but I also am trying to put out quality content as well. I don't want to just put out junk for the sake of putting out junk, you know what I mean? I don't know, I had one cast and one fish, and then I haven't had a bite since. So, and this is really full grass. That I knew there was grass in here, but I didn't know there was this much. I mean, and it's, you know, this is public water. I almost went for a swim there. This is public water, and people are like, how come you tell people where you fish? And so, I don't care. I mean, now if it was private, it's a different story, but this is public. Well, where I want to go is down here where these ripples are, right above them. Right above them and right below them. Because if I can set my Nico Helgramite right in front of them, or right below them, it should be game on. But we'll see. And I forgot, you know, in my rush to get out, I don't have my minnows, I don't have anything else. I got a whopper plopper, which I may throw that on just to see what I can do with it. But I know they're in here. It's just a matter of trying to find something that they're gonna bite, that they're gonna hit. Throw that over there. Now I know there's a ledge, like literally right above where those ripples are. There's just like a slate ledge, and it's probably 8 to 10 feet deep in there. And if you can get down in front of that, that's pretty much where some of the bigger bass lay. And behind it there's boulders, and behind the boulders is another place where they lay. Just a matter of trying to find it and get it to where I need it, you know. I'm just trying to get to where I need to be. And the sun keeps going back behind the clouds. There's one. I'll take him. It's only the second. Only the second bass that I've caught today. Okay guys, there we go. There you go guys. See you later, buddy. He hammered it. That's pretty good. That's in those ripples where I said they would be. Now I'm over as far as I can go, so maybe we'll try to get over there again and see if I can pull something else out. Somewhere in there. Well, I'll give this Fluger reel some credit, man. It is very smooth. Missed him. We're gonna try to launch. And I'm using a Fluger Presidential reel, my Abu Garcia 6.6 rods, Vengeance rod. I'm using Stren, just original Stren, 8-pound test, 8-pound mono. And I believe right now I'm using 1/8 jig heads, but they're, like I said, they're too heavy for what I want to do, what I'm trying to do in here, and I have no way to change it, so I'm sort of stuck just using them. I mean, it is what it is, I guess. There's one. That's not a bad one. Yeah, not a bad one. I'm sitting here dicking with this camera trying to get good shots underwater, and I'm gonna end up losing some bass. I guarantee it. See you later, buddy. There's one. He's just a little fella. I'll take him though. There you go, guys. There you go. was a short train. There's a decent one. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. I'll take you. I'll take you. Okay guys, there we go. There's another one. This camera keeps spinning around. See you later, buddy. That sink. Hopefully put it in front of somebody that's big enough to, old enough to drive, you know, that'd be nice. Oh! Ah! Snizzle. Well, I gotta be careful now because I just dropped the door to my GoPro into the water, and well, you know, can't put that back on my camera. That's on the one that's on my head, so I just had to be careful. Want the truth, I'm kind of surprised that I haven't caught larger fish, but I mean, it is what it is, I guess. There's one. That feels like a decent one. Yeah, he's not bad. I'm jerking around with this other camera. It's gonna cost me. Okay, there you go, guys. There you go. Nice color. Absolutely beautiful color. Okay, there you go, guys. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. There's another one. I'll take them. It's a rock bass. Nice size rock bass. I'll take that. That's, you know. Look at this guy. Beautiful little guy. Or gal, whatever. Okay, guys. You want to let go? Crackhead. Okay, guys, that's going to wrap up today's adventure. I got into some decent bass in a relatively short amount of time. Didn't have all that much time. I fished only for about an hour and a half or so. So, you know, make do with the time I have, and you know, I didn't do too bad. So, hey, you know, it is what it is. Anytime you're catching fish is a good fishing trip, right? Yeah. All right, man. So guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you like the videos I post, please subscribe to my channel. And until next time, keep on fishing.